Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by inspecting the shoe top to sole. Address the worst damage first so repairs hold. Once done, remove laces and clean debris. Dirt prevents adhesion. You need contact or shoe glue, a heavy needle and waxed thread, small clamps, and 120-220 grit sandpaper. Make sure to roughen the mating surfaces slightly. This increases mechanical grip and chemical bonding. Now position the shoe so you can work with both hands and plan the sequence. Glue first for sole issues, stitching second for fabric tears. You glue the separated sole next. Apply a thin, even bead to both surfaces and wait the tack time if using contact glue. Once tacky, press firmly and clamp in place. Hold pressure helps the bond spread uniformly. For torn seams, use an awl to pre-punch holes so the needle won't split material. Then sew with a backstitch using waxed thread for durability. Once stitched, clean stray glue with a cloth and allow a full cure period so the repair reaches maximum strength. You finish by sanding any excess adhesive so the repair is neat and won't rub socks. Then wipe surfaces and apply clear shoe polish or a waterproof spray to restore appearance and protect seams. Replace laces and any removable insole and put the shoe on briefly to check comfort and fit. Make sure to flex the shoe gradually to bed the repair. If you see fresh gaps or separation, stop using the shoe and re-glue the area, clamping it for a full 24 to 48 hours as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.